Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to assign workers to workstations in Elder Scrolls Castles. To assign workers to workstations, you can either press and hold on a worker and drag it to that workstation, or you can click on the workstation and click here on the worker's place, and you can choose who to assign to that place, but you need to remember that in the right corner of each worker is shown what's the worker assigned to already. So I have only this worker which is unassigned, so I'm gonna click on it, then assign. Now they are assigned to the furnace. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.